What's up, y'all? You know who it is, your boy JP the install guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a 2011 Mercedes GL 450, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out because I have to figure out which harness we need in the back, because I want to be 1000% sure that we get this person the right harness, or if we have to bypass the fiber optic system and all that type of stuff. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys how to take this out. I do believe that it'll work for a 2010, 2011, and a 2012. So if you're into that type of thing, please consider subscribing, because that's what we do here at this channel. Anything car audio or install related, that's what the channel is about. So first thing that we want to do is we want to come down here. There's going to be some funky little tabs that's going to be on the inside, and you don't want to go too deep in that little corner. Try that one more time. Just want to slide it in a little bit. You see we got that part right there. We need to do the same thing to the other side. There we go. So now you can get that and slide that out of the way. Now we have these little silver tabs right here. They have to slide down in order to get the radio out, and it's only been held in by a T20 torque, so we need to go ahead and take those two out first. Alright, so now that those two are slid down, that radio literally just pops out. And that's about it for this one. Show you guys how to take it out. We'll be doing the install on this at a later date, but I want to show you how to remove it so we can make sure that it gets the right harness that it needs. So if you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this your boy JP signing out. God bless y'all. Peace.